Good morning, children. Can you recognize these two pictures? Yes, you are right. It is India Gate and Howrah Bridge. Yes, you are right. Today we are going to learn more things about Delhi and Kolkata. In this India map, see Delhi is here. So, Delhi is the capital city of India. It is situated in the northern plains on the banks of river Yamuna. Delhi shares its boundary with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Together with its bordering area of two states, Delhi is called National Capital Territory or NCT. The President and the Vice President, the Prime Minister work from Delhi. It is a union territory with Chief Minister and Cabinet of other ministers. The Lieutenant Governor appointed by President of India also looks after the needs of the people of Delhi. Delhi has seen rich historical journey. The city mentioned as Indraprastha in Mahabharata. Later, many kings ruled over different parts of Delhi. Finally, 7 cities were joined together to form the present Delhi. The British built another modern city in Delhi and named it New Delhi. In 1911, the British shifted their capital from Kolkata to Delhi. Children, now let us come and know the climate of Delhi. Delhi is very hot during summer months. A dry and dusty wind called the Loo blows. During the monsoon, it becomes hot and humid. Winters are very chilly. There are cold waves during peak winter season. It is mostly foggy in the morning and at night. So, this is Delhi's weather. Delhi is connected to the rest of India by road, railway, air transport. Within Delhi, there is public transport system of auto rickshaws, buses, metro trains. The President and the Prime Minister of India live in Delhi. The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Come children, let us see the picture of Rashtrapati Bhavan. See here. This is Rashtrapati Bhavan. This grand building has Mughal Gardens here. Mughal Gardens, which is a major tourist attraction. It is open to the public during the springtime. There are many important government offices in Delhi. The Central Secretariat has two main blocks. The cabinet ministers have their offices in North Block. The offices of the Prime Minister and other ministers and the government departments are in South Block. The ministers discuss the national issues in the Parliament House. The offices of the government of the countries are also in Delhi. They are called embassies or high commissions. See children, this is India Gate. Every year, this is Red Fort. Every year, many visitors come to Delhi. There are many famous places in the city. The Red Fort was built by Emperor Shah Jahan on 15th August every year. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the main gate of the fort and delivers speech to the nation. The Samadhi of Gandhiji. See here, this is Samadhi of Gandhiji. The father of the nation is at Rajghat. There are other places of attraction like the Qutub Minar. See here, Qutub Minar and Chandni Chowk, Chudi Gardens, Rajghat, Masjid National, Jama Masjid, National Rail Museum, etc. All major Indian festivals like Diwali, Dasera, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Gurupurb, Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti and Nowruz are celebrated here. Delhi also showcases the Republic Day Parade on 26 January every year. Many national and international sports events are held in Delhi. So, children, now come let us learn about Kolkata. See children, Kolkata is here. It is the capital city of West Bengal. Previously it was the capital city for Britishers. I have told you in 1911 they shifted their capital from Kolkata to Delhi. It is the main language in Kolkata is West Bengal, but they speak Hindi as well as English also. Kolkata was formed by joining three villages, that is Kalikata, Govindpur and Sutanuti. It was earlier under the Mughal Nawabs. Britishers until 1911, Kolkata was the capital of India during the British rule. Later, this city became the center for independence struggle against the British. Let us come see the climate here. The climate of Kolkata is mostly hot and humid during the summer season. During early summer, heavy rains and thunderstorms strike